Hello and welcome to Home Design Studio again. This is our series on how to design and model a residential project in Revit. And in this particular tutorial, we are going to look on how to place roofs and how to adjust the walls so that it fits correctly with the roof. Before I get into this tutorial, I would like to ask you to like this tutorial because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if not already, I would suggest you to subscribe to this channel because I make tutorials like this every week. To place the roof, I will go to the first floor. And this is where we are going to place our roofs. To access the roof, I will go to Architecture tab, then go to Roof. In the drop-down menu, I will choose Roof by Footprint. You will have different options to place the roof, but I will prefer to use the pick line. I would like to choose the type of the roof. In the drop-down menu, I am going to choose generic roof 125 millimeters, and I am now going to place it. There is no log, there is no offset. We shall just keep it like that. Okay, now I will draw three types of roofs, and one is the one that is going to cover this from the living room to the master bedroom. The other one is this small roof that is going to cover the store, and there is an upper roof which is going to cover the upper walls of the kitchen. Let us start with the first one, which is this one covering both the living, the dining, and the two rooms. And I am going to use the pick line to pick some lines here. I'll pick this one, pick the other one, and this one also, and I will also pick another one here and another one here. Let me trim and extend here. I'll keep this one, that one. I will keep this one and this one, and I think I do not really need this one. I can edit it after. Okay, so I will need this one and the other one. Then this one I will delete it after. I will keep this one and that one. And I'm going to delete this and that one. I don't need them. And for some reason, I want to extend these lines at the upper face of the wall, like this one and like this one. Okay, and after that I want a certain offset of around like 0.5 meters on the edges, and this is actually what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm extending it to 0.5 from that particular edge. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to I will also need this one at that particular edge, the edge of that wall, because it has to cover the wall there. Okay, now let me click on that check mark. Okay, I can see this type of roof, but I do not really like this type of roof. I am going to go back to the first floor and go to this roof, and I will hit edit footprints, and I'm going to change this one. I do not want the slope here, so I am going to uncheck the define slope for that particular edge, and also this one I am going to uncheck define slope, and this one I'm going to change it into 25 as the slope, and this other one is also 25 as slope. I will hit this check mark, and preview what we have done in 3D. Alright, this is what I really want for now, and I can see it starts to really appear really nice. Okay, and what I will do, I will select these walls, Control select to select multiple, scroll a little bit and go to the other wall, albeit a little bit, and select the other one. I think I would select most of them, and I will click on attach the top or base to that particular roof, and then I will pick this roof, and the walls are going to extend to the roof, which is great. Okay, I think this is okay with this particular part of the roof. I'll go back to the first floor, and I will need another type of roof here. I will go back to roof by footprint, and I will I'll pick this line here, another line here, and yeah, I think I will also need the other one here. Okay, because I want it to align to this previous roof. I will then pick this line here, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now I will trim and extend. I will keep this one, that I will keep this one, and I will need another roof here, I think from this wall, and yeah, right, I will trim and extend again. I will keep this one and that one, same here, this one, that one, and we have our roof, but I do not really need this slope here, and I do not need anyone here also, and this one is going to be 25 as slope. Okay, or even 20. I do not want it to be at the same slope as the previous one. I hit OK to finish and don't attach. Okay, now I'll go to 3D, and you can see that we have already made it a little bit lower than this one, which is what I wanted, but I want to go to the floor plan once again and edit that footprint, because I want this edge to go beyond or at the external face of the wall, and I will hit OK, don't attach, and this is now great. Okay, I will pick this wall and then go to attach, and I will pick that roof, and okay, that's right, looks great now. And what I'm going to do again is I'm going to place a wall somewhere there in the middle to cover that gap. How I am going to do that is going back to the first floor, and I will pick wall, and I will pick the 300 millimeters generic one, and I will pick a wall from here to somewhere here. I will not attach them, because once I attach to the to this one, they will make a kind of intersection, which I do not really like. Okay, now we are going to edit this one so that it takes that particular slope. Now I go to the south elevation and pick this particular wall and go to edit profile, and I'm going to change this one into something like this and remove constraints, and then I will pick this one so it kinds of align with that particular slope, and then I will trim and extend this one. I will pick this one and that one, and that's it. Okay, then I will cancel once, and then I will move this line a little bit up so that we can have a kind of wall extension at the top of the roof, which is okay, I think, and I'm really satisfied with this one. I will then hit this check mark, and that's great. Okay, it has preview in 3D to see what we have done, and this looks a little bit great for now. Okay, I'm really happy with how it is coming out. Let me go back to that particular. I can now extend this one, there is no problem, because I have already finished the two. Now finishing with this one, I will go to the kitchen level, and I am going to place another roof. I'll go to roof by footprint, and I will change it to 125 millimeters. I then change there is nothing I will change. Okay, that's fine, and I will pick the external edges of these walls, and that's again fine, and I'm going to click this one, remove that define slope, because I do not want the slope on this edge and that edge also. And this one I'm going to change it into 15 like a slope, and this one will also be 15. That's it actually, and I will say I will hit OK and don't attach. Let's preview it in 3D and see what we have already done. Okay, this is cool. Now I will select these walls, control select, and I will attach the walls to the roof. I will click the roof, and here we go. It's really great, really great. All right, this is our roof, and I really like how it looks like. This is really great. Okay, now this is the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.